One question that I get a lot of is what exactly is functional medicine? With functional medicine, it's really interesting, but it's about us getting to the underlying root cause of what someone's condition is. For example, in typical mainstream medicine, you go to the doctor because you have a skin rash or you have something going on like eczema, and they give you a steroid cream or they give you some other kind of medication to help cover up the symptoms and send you along your way. But then when the drug wears off, you have to go and get another one. And you get looped up into this cycle of where you're just constantly taking all these medications to cover up your symptoms. Well, with functional medicine, it works a little bit different because what we do is we actually try to discover the underlying origin of what your problem is. So rather than just giving you a medicine or a cream or a salve in order to cover up the symptoms of eczema, instead, we do some different lab testing on the gut or on the microbiome in order to find out what is the underlying true cause or the origin of that eczema or the skin condition. In fact, that's how we came up with the name Origins Mobile Wellness. It's because we want to get to the origin of your underlying issue. Because when we go there and we treat it at the root cause, well, now you can actually heal the person permanently and they can actually get better from this for the rest of their life. So that's really what we're doing with functional medicine. There's a lot of different lab tests that we can do. We do everything from a GI map or an organic acids test. We can do a Dutch hormone panel. It all depends on what it is that whatever your complaints are, what are your symptoms, and we go in there and we start looking at all these labs in order to get a different view of what is happening inside of your body. We like to see how your cells are functioning, how your body metabolizes and creates energy at the cellular level, but also how your body is able to excrete and get and eliminate different toxins at the cellular level. So with functional medicine, it's really looking at the whole component of how the body works, and then we help the body do those things properly. Because really the things like whether it's allergies or if it's eczema or if it's certain skin rashes or if it's even constipation or diarrhea, these are all symptoms of a much bigger underlying issue that's going on the inside. So that's what we're doing with the functional medicine. We go in, we find the underlying origin of the cause or of your problem, and then we go in and we actually heal the body from the inside out.